In this lecture, we will talk about using a while loop with lists. To keep track of many users and pieces of information, we will need to use lists and dictionaries with our while loops. A for loop is effective for looping through a list, but you shouldn't modify a list inside a for loop because Python will have trouble keeping track of the items in the list. To modify a list as you work through it, use a while loop. Using while loops with lists and dictionaries allows you to collect, store, and organize lots of inputs to examine and report on later. So moving items from one list to another is a normal case. Consider a list of newly registered but unverified users of a website. After we verify these users, how can we move them to a separate list of confirmed users? One way would be to use a while loop to pull users from the list of unconfirmed users as we verify them and then add them to a separate list of confirmed users. So we create a list called unconfirmed users with three people, and then create a empty list called confirmed users at the beginning, and we try to move each item from the unconfirmed users to the confirmed users in a while loop. So here we will start with the while loop while unconfirmed users, which means if unconfirmed users is not empty. So while unconfirmed users means if unconfirmed users is not empty. There still has elements in the unconfirmed users, then we will do the block inside the while loop. So first there is not empty for the unconfirmed users. Then we create a variable called current user. And the value of the current user is unconfirmed users, the pop function. We have learned the pop function is the remove the last item of unconfirmed users list, this list. So pop will remove the last user from the unconfirmed user, then put this value to the current user. Then we print a verifying message. So verifying user, current user title. So verified user is this user. Then we do confirm the users. This list use append function. So append function's value is the current user. So these three statements is we take the last item into unconfirmed user and put in confirmed user. We use pop and append function combined. Then print the message. The following users have been confirmed. Then return to the while loop, check again if unconfirmed users is empty now. And so on. So after 3 rounds, the old elements in unconfirmed users have been removed and appended, put into the confirmed users. So the while loop stopped. Then we have a for loop for confirmed user in confirmed users. This list will print each confirmed user's title for. And another case with a while loop with lists is removing all instances of specific values from a list. So we have learned the remove function in the previous lectures that can remove the instance that appeared only once in the list. But what if you want to remove all instances of a value from a list? So you have a list of pets with the value cat repeated several times. To remove all instances of that value, you can run a while loop until cat is no longer in the list. So we start with a list called pets with 7 pets inside. 7 pets inside, and you can see 3 values are cat. So we print the pets first. Then start with a while loop. So while cat in pets, which means if cat in the pets list, then pets list will have a remove function. Remove will remove the first instance of the cat in this list. So the first round while cat in pets is true because there are 3 cats in the pets. So we will pets remove cat, we remove the first cat. Then return back to while cat in pets. Check again. If cat in pets, yes, of course, because there are 2 cats left in the pets. So also true. We will remove the last cat again, the first instance of the cat again. Then this cat will be removed. So 2 cats removed and only 1 cat left in the pets list. Then we check again and find another cat in the pets because the last cat has not been removed yet. Then we remove this cat again. So all the cats removed. Then we check while cat in pets. No cat in pets. Then the while loop stopped. Then we will print pets. Of course, this time the print pets. No cat in this pets. We will show all these commands in Anaconda Spider. We see the source file, Python source file, section 6, user input while loop. You can download the file from the link on the GitHub, and the link has been added in the description of this video. So we move to the lecture file using a while loop with lists. So moving items from one list to another. Start out with some users that need to be verified and an empty list to hold confirmed users. So we create these 2 lists first. Unconfirmed user and confirmed user. So confirmed user is an empty list now. And verify each user until there are no more unconfirmed users, moving each verified user into the list of confirmed users. So there while loop, while confirmed user, so if confirmed user is not empty, so the current user is the last element of unconfirmed user. So we use a pop function. A pop function will remove the last element in unconfirmed user, then save this value to the current user. Then we'll print a message verifying user this current user. Then confirmed user will be appended with this value of current user. We'll run this while loop. Can say verifying user Candice, verifying user Brian, verifying user Alice. Then we print the following user have been confirmed. And for confirmed user, in confirmed users, we'll print each user. Confirmed user starting value is empty. Now it's not empty now. Run this. All 3 have been moved into confirmed user. And another example is removing all instances of specific values from a list. Pets is a list with 7 pets inside. Run this. And 3 are cats. We print a pet now. 7 pets inside. Then use a while loop. While cat in pets. So if cat has been found in pets, we will remove this cat. But because we only remove first instance of the cat in list, so we'll use a while loop until there are no cats in the pets. Run. Then we'll print pets. Now the pets have only 4 pets, but no cats inside now. So 3 cats have been removed.